Concerns tonight, polio may be spreading in New York after a single case was confirmed in Rockland County last month.
CBS 2's Trinity Chavez reports the virus has now been found in wastewater samples in both Rockland and Orange counties.
New York State health officials have issued an urgent call for unvaccinated children and adults to get inoculated against polio as soon as possible. They found the virus in 7 different wastewater samples in 2 counties north of New York City.
Oh gosh, I didn't think that would be spreading up here.
So far, only 1 person has tested positive for polio, an unvaccinated young adult in Rockland County who developed paralysis. It was the first U.S. case in nearly a decade. State officials believe it may just be the tip of the iceberg, that there may be hundreds of people who have been infected but have no symptoms yet. Dr. Frank Esper with the Cleveland Clinic says the unvaccinated are most at risk.
Polio is extremely infectious. It's very good about transmitting. And so by looking for it in the wastewater system, into the sewers, we can actually see whether or not there's a detection, not just in one particular household, but within a community.
Rockland County has been holding pop-up vaccine clinics in addition to its regular vaccine hours at health department locations ever since that case was diagnosed last month. This county and nearby Orange County have low vaccination rates. Rockland County was the heart of the 2-year measles outbreak that began in 2018. The polio vaccination rate for 2-year-olds is 60.5% compared to the New York State average of 79.1%.
The take-home message is still very reassuring. Vaccines work. And they work very, very well. But if we have less and less coverage of the vaccines within our community or within our nation, we're going to see more and more of these types of infections.
New York health officials and the CDC confirmed the virus originated from the oral polio vaccine, a live vaccine used in other countries. The vaccine is no longer given in the U.S. Trinity Chavez, CBS News, Pomona, New York.